Quizbowl is a popular nationwide competition. It is played by high schools and colleges all across the U.S., even in our group school of Hidden Valley. However, when we played matches, we noticed that it often took a great deal of time and effort to keep track of score. The official Scoresheet for Quizbowl is complex and large, and scorekeepers often make simple math errors. Our app, Quizbowl Scoresheet, reduces the large amount of time needed for keeping track of score during games, allowing tournaments and matches to run faster and without delays. Like a traditional Quizbowl scoresheet, our app keeps track of individual player data and team data. When you open the app for the first time, you should go into the Create Team menu, enter the name of your team and how many players it has, and then enter the players' names. Here, I'm creating a new team with the names of the members of our group. Once you have two teams ready, as we do here, you can play them against each other. Simply select the names of two teams from the drop-down, ensuring that the teams selected are not the same. A game in Quizbowl consists of a series of 20 questions. Each team can only buzz in once, and depending on how early they buzz in, they can receive 15 or 10 points, assuming they answer correctly and before the other team. Once a team answers correctly, that team is given a series of 3 bonus questions, each worth 10 points. There is no penalty for missing a bonus question, and only the team that correctly answered the toss-up question can answer the bonus. However, if a player on a team incorrectly answers the toss-up before the end of the question, their team loses 5 points, and any players on the other team may still buzz in and answer. Note that within this screen there are 2 drop-down menus. The first is for selecting the player who got the toss-up. This will be used later for calculating individual stats at the end of the game. The second drop-down menu is for category. This determines the category of the question and can be later used in implementations of this program for calculating category statistics. Now that you understand the basic layout of a Quizbowl game, let's fast forward to the end. Side note, if neither team gets a toss-up, the user must simply hit the next toss-up button to move on. At the end of the game, if both teams are tied, there must be a tiebreaker toss-up to determine the winner, such as in this game. After the game is over, the final score of each team and the points scored by their respective players is displayed and can be transferred to an actual score sheet for tabulation purposes in a tournament.